Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick again, or warn you real quick again about Dallisgrass. I've made a number of videos last year talking about Dallisgrass and how you're supposed to deal with it and what to do with it. And I want to remind you again, I'm actually at a house where I made a video last year in this very spot, and I talked about this exact plant. I gave it as an example and showed a picture of it, and I'll post a picture of it again. And the reason I say that is because this lawn gets all of the pre-emergent application. It gets all the post-emergence, the fertilizers, aeration, it's watered properly. Everything's done right with this lawn. And yet, year after year, this Dallisgrass plant is popping up. So I just say that to remind you that the best way to deal with Dallisgrass is to remove it manually. And I don't mean going out there and trying to pull it up by hand. That's not going to work. You've got to get a shovel. You've got to dig it up. You've got to dig a big enough area around it and dig deep enough to remove the entire plant so that it doesn't keep coming back. Pre-emergents don't work against Dallisgrass, and Roundup will kill it, but you're going to damage the turf around the area that you spray Roundup. So the best way to deal with it is by removing it manually. Keep in mind that most weeds are annual plants. They grow from seeds every year. That's how pre-emergence can kill them. They kill the seeds before they germinate. So don't be discouraged if you think your pre-emergence is not working. It is working. It's killing a lot of seeds. It's preventing a lot of weeds, but it's just not going to prevent this weed. It's not going to prevent Dallisgrass. Dallisgrass is a perennial plant. It dies off, goes into dormancy every year, and the next season that exact same plant comes back to life, comes out of dormancy, and that's why it can't be prevented. So again, it's early in the season. It's better to do it sooner than later. If you start seeing Dallisgrass popping up, as soon as you can, go out there, dig it up, get rid of it completely. Use some soil, backfill those holes, maybe get some sod. That'd be the best thing to patch in those areas where you remove it, and you'll be good to go. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or you need any help with that, just let us know. Thanks.